This is the GL4 Pro IR laser. If you're looking for a budget IR laser for your build, this is probably going to be your best bet. It's jam-packed with features for a really low price point. They're not even available yet, but you can pick them up on pre-order at defensedistributors.com. So the laser itself has an IR illuminator, IR laser, green laser, and white light. This is the upgrade pretty much from a Streamlight TLR VIR2, and that unit does not have a green laser. The laser isn't slaved, it doesn't have a green laser, it doesn't have a QD, and it's just not as powerful as this unit. So if you're upgrading for a kind of a compact setup just like this, this is probably going to be the move. I have one of these and I've been testing them and it's been working phenomenally. It holds zero, buttons are easy to use, switch is easy to use, just in general, it is a great unit overall.